Hi everyone, my name is Febian and this is the very first video on my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you are just training alone, because I will be sharing my whole training just here. I have been passionate about martial arts for a long time, and one fighter I have always admired is Tony Jaa, also known as Ongba. The way he moves, the knees, the elbows, his style is so amazing. So I decided to do something different. I'm starting my own Muay Thai journey inspired by Tony Jaa, and I want to share this journey with you. The reason I'm doing this is I want to test myself and build discipline and learn techniques inspired by one of the best martial artists in the world. I also want to document it so I can track my progress and inspires hopefully inspire others to do the same. If you love martial arts or you are on a training journey of yourself, I would love for you to join me. Let's learn and grow together. So interested, if you are interested, hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride. This is just the beginning. Thank you for watching, and I am excited to share this journey with you. Thank you. Stay tuned for another video.